Fireplaces. Let's talk about those cozy winter evenings. So a fireplace to me means a great place to decorate. But we also want to think about safety when we're using fireplaces. Of course, there's two types. You've got wood-burning fireplaces and gas fireplaces. And you might have even seen some of the electric fireplaces. Great to use as well. The ambiance is wonderful. Let's talk about safety a little bit. When you're looking at a wood-burning fireplace, you really should have that checked out. Have a professional come out, make sure it's properly working, that there's no flaws or issues that need to be corrected. There's only a few chimney companies out there, so you want to make sure that you check their reviews. Talk to family, friends, co-workers, find out who they could refer, someone that they've had a great experience with. With wood-burning fireplaces, one of the key factors is getting your wood early before it's well in demand. You will see prices increase as it gets colder and the winter really sets in. Gas fireplaces, they're going to check your damper. They're going to make sure it's working properly, that the logs are properly functioning, that your switches work. Again, you want to put a little bit of detail into making sure that it's safe. You want to make sure if you're burning a fire, you're home, you're around it, you're able to check on it, and before you go to bed that it's fully extinguished. We want to make sure that everyone is safe within your household. Batteries in your remotes, batteries in your smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, all of those things should be part of your maintenance when you're thinking about using your fireplaces. So for me, great place to decorate, great place to hang those Christmas stockings, great place just to enjoy. For you, you want to make sure that it's safe. Have a great holiday season. Have a great fall season. Enjoy.